Hello, guys. Welcome to another live New York session. It is Tuesday, November 4th, 2025. So once again, welcome. So before we get started, let's go ahead and log in Forbes Factory here. As we can see, we don't have any major news for the USD today. So that's good. Great. So we're going to be trading GU today. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with daily time frame to figure out our overall bias. Now, when we look at this daily candle here, we can see that it closed bearish. It opened here and closed here. Looks like there's a lot of volume on the bearish side. Prices depreciating pretty fast, huge range from here to here. So it lets us know that there's volume building up. There's no consolidation more than likely. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, we're going to mark up buy side and sell side liquidity. So we see that there was some liquidity here. Price wiped out this previous high here. It then dropped, and then we had some liquidity here with this wick wiping out this previous wick here. So based on the daily candle, it closed bearish. So we're expecting the A and D, which is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So we're expecting short manipulation of the bulls and distribution of the bears based on that. So we marked up on buy side and sell side liquidity. Now we're looking for our most recent point of interest, which is our 4-hour fair value gap here. I'm just going to mark this up. Now we got an idea of the next point of interest. Let me go to the 1-hour time frame. Now in the 1-hour time frame, basically we want to figure out two ways. So we have a 1-hour fair value gap here. So we know that there's going to be short manipulation for the bears and distribution of the bulls. So we mark up a 1-hour fair value gap. Now we kind of have a target. So we see that price did a manipulation here. Now we would expect price to do a manipulation. We had a price that wiped out this wick here. And wiped out the cookie here. Now, since we're in an overall bearish trend, we're expecting short manipulation of the bulls. I would expect to see short manipulation right up to this fair value gap, and then just point of interest, and then the further sell that. So we could buy price up to this fair value gap if we got a fair value gap close, or we can wait for the manipulation and then jump in on distribution of the bears. Now, of course, if they invalidate this bears fair value gap, then obviously they're looking to go up to this 4-hour fair value gap here. So basically, looks like we have a 3-block pattern. We have the bearish candle, and we have liquidity wick. And a rejection candle, but it didn't close with the fair value gap close. So it's not ready yet. But that's what we have. Now, we're going to go to 15-minute time frame. Now, it looks like, you look here, it looks like it's a 15-minute fair value gap. So it looks like we had our manipulation of the bears, the bulls here. This wick wiped out this previous wick, tested this fair value gap, and then it went down. And then it looks like it closed with some strength here. The price might be ready to manipulate with the bears here, but we would want a fair value gap close with some strength here. And we have an order block as well. So let's see this spot. The 5 minutes saying that price is probably going there. Well, you don't have fair value gap close yet. We wanted to see the next candle says. Now we have a manipulation here. The price is still respecting this fair value gap here. It's a 15-minute fair value gap. So we get a close on manipulation here, and the price might be actually ready to go play with that. So that's what I'm looking at for now. Now, here has some manipulation here. The price is still respecting this fair value gap. And we're just going to sit in our hands now. This looks like it's a consolidation to me. This kind of looks like consolidation. So we really need to see what price is going to rate first, to be honest with you. Looks like there was a rate here about. But you never know if this might be a normal pullback and the price might be ready to go up and validate this fair value gap and then maybe buy it here. And then say that. So we have to wait for the next candle. So what I'm going to do is pause this recording. Once we get a clear rate, or sound that price is ready to go, then I'll resume this report. So I'll be right back. It looks like we got a 3-bar pattern here. It looks like we're having a raise here, but I want to see if this next candle closes with strength. So it looks like the order block is forming here. This artist takes trade and we'll see what happens. If close with the bottom. One seconds now. Three, two, one. All right, we close with some strength. Go ahead and execute the trade. And then we'll see how we do. So we'll go ahead and move this line down here. We'll see if we can go for the best move. And then just stay in there here. I'll call this report and we'll see if, we can get it to some profit. So I'll be like that. It looks like we might be starting to get some going. So we'll see. Currently in profit. But we'll see if we continue to put some down. We'll see. All right, so looks like getting some volume. See if we can continue to go down. Close to my profit target. Once I hit my profit target, close my trade, I'll just in this report. We'll see if I can get it right back. The flow door is picking up. Just closed at, see, $42 profit. 1 second here. Let me document my results in my statement, I'll be like that. We're told we're getting some huge distribution of the bears, like we talked about. So the market is about to open. Looks like we have some huge imbalance. So probably might drop even further. But I already made my money, so done for the game. So go ahead and share that with you guys. You can see made $42.64 on this account. Knocked it out. Because it took $8 out, so really we made $34.34. So that's cool. So we are officially done for the day. So that's it, guys. Oh, damn. I was going to close down my screen, guys, but that's it. I'll see you guys later.